Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Coilovers, and I'm here with I'm here at my cousin's house, aka Lil J, my cousin, and he got a airplane. I'm gonna let this shit pass. All right, airplane pass. All right, so like I was saying, I'm here with my cousin. He got a little recap. He got himself a project car, Ek9 hatch. He got it with a motor, but the motor had spun and bearings, so he replaced it with another H22. And he got this shit running and everything. But today we're finna install some functional form Type 1 coilovers. Alright, so these are the functional form Type 1 coilovers, as you can see. Oh, these are pretty heavy. So they're gonna go on the hatch today. Alright, so the top ones are 14s, and so is the middle one, right there. And the bottom one is a 17. So we're doing the left side now. So basically we're doing the same thing as we did before. So it's just really pretty much the same shit you gotta do. Okay, so in order to take this piece off, you gotta first take the middle part off right here with flat. Basically that's all you need. And you gotta remove some screws, and you should be able to get to it. Alright, so how many bolts we got down here?
Two.
Got that one he's removing, and
this one.
Oh, where the camera be at?
Yeah.
Alright. That boy got some charms. Little toe hook.
Let's go. It's coming out.
Alright, so we ready. Everything, all four of them are installed. Looks pretty good. Now we're gonna see how this shit look.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that shit said right.
Yeah, it's higher in the front.
I like it, bro. Leave it like that.
It needs more higher in the back.
No, look. It's about to touch the wheel. When you get in this shit, it's gonna hit. I bet it's gonna hit. You're gonna have to bend the roll, bro.
More like camera.
Nah, it's just them tires too fat, bro. You need better tires.
I need 45s in the front.
You need 45 all around.
The back of the camera. Yeah, the back's lower than the